Stop, watch this. Your boss just walked up to you, looked you in the eye, and said, "I'll give you $1,650 for free right now. All you have to do is say yes." They said no. Millions of Americans do this every single paycheck. They're not stupid. Nobody told them. Today, I'm telling you, by the end of this video, you will understand your 401k better than 90% of Americans, and you'll know exactly how to claim every single dollar your employer is offering you. Let's unlock it. Okay, first, what even is a 401k? I'm going to explain this in 60 seconds. No finance degree needed. The name comes from Section 401, Paragraph K of the U.S. Tax Code. Boring name, incredible tool. Here's the simple version. A 401k is a retirement savings account that your employer sets up for you. Every paycheck, a percentage of your money goes directly into this account before you even see it. And here's the part that makes it special. That money grows tax deferred. You don't pay income taxes on it today. It grows for decades. You only pay taxes when you take it out in retirement. Translation? More of your money is working for you right now instead of going to the IRS. Out of sight, out of mind, into your future. The automatic deduction isn't a bug, it's the whole feature. You literally cannot spend money you never see. Now, this is the most important thing I will say in this entire video. If you close out after this section, you still win. The employer match. Here's how it works. Most companies that offer a 401k will match a percentage of what you put in. The most common structure in 2026 looks like this. Let's use real numbers. Your salary is $55,000. 6% of $55,000 equals $3,300. You contribute $3,300 this year. Your employer adds 50% of that, $1,650 for free. You put in $3,300. You instantly have $4,950. That is a 50% instant guaranteed return before the market does a single thing. Warren Buffett doesn't get 50% guaranteed returns. Nobody does, except you, through your 401k match. Now, every company is different. Common structures in 2026. 100% match up to 3%. Dollar for dollar on the first 3% you put in. 50% match up to 6%. 50 cents for every dollar up to 6%. No match. Some employers don't offer one. Still contribute, just no free money. How do you find your match? Log into your HR portal. Check your benefits packet. Or walk up to HR and ask this exact question. Write that number down. That is your minimum contribution. Non-negotiable. Always. Not getting the full match is the same as declining part of your salary. There is no version of personal finance where that makes sense. None. Quick, here's something most people don't know. Some employers now offer two versions of the 401k, and picking the right one could save you thousands. Traditional 401k. You contribute pre-tax dollars, meaning your taxable income goes down today. You pay less tax this year. The money grows tax deferred. When you withdraw in retirement, you pay income tax then. Best if you think your tax rate will be lower in retirement. Roth 401k. You contribute after-tax dollars. No break today. But the money grows completely tax-free. Zero taxes when you withdraw in retirement. Best if you think your tax rate will be higher in retirement. For most people watching this, in their 20s and early 30s, earning less now than they will later, the Roth 401k is the smarter choice. But here's what I need you to hear. Don't let the choice paralyze you. Pick one. Start today. You can always adjust later. Okay, your money is going in. Amazing. Now, what do you actually buy inside your 401k? This is where people freeze. Your 401k shows you a menu of funds, sometimes 20, sometimes 40 options. It looks terrifying. It doesn't have to be. 3 rules in this order. That's it. Rule 1. Find a target date fund first. Look for something called Target Date 2055 Fund or Retirement 2060 Fund. Pick the one closest to when you'll turn 65. This is one fund that owns thousands of stocks and bonds worldwide. It automatically gets safer as you get closer to retirement. Zero decisions, zero maintenance. Just set it and forget it. If your 401k has a target date fund, stop here. Pick it. Done. Rule 2. No target date fund? Find the S&P 500 Index Fund. Look for S&P 500 Index or Large Cap Index. This is the same as VOO we talked about in the Roth IRA video. 500 biggest U.S. companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all in one fund. Rule 3. Always check the expense ratio. The expense ratio is the annual fee. It looks tiny, but watch what it does over 30 years. $100,000 invested, 7% annual return. 30 years. At 0.03% expense ratio, you end up with $760,000. At 1.50% expense ratio, you end up with $574,000. Always pick the lowest cost option available. Index funds almost always win on fees and returns. Okay, I want to show you something that's going to change how you think about this forever. Real numbers, real math, no fluff. Meet Taylor, 25 years old, salary $55,000. Employer offers 50% match up to 6%. Taylor contributes 6%. That's $3,300 per year. $275 per month out of the paycheck. Employer adds 50%, $1,650 per year. Free. Total going in, $4,950 per year. Invested in a target date fund, 7% average annual return. Age 35 to $68,000. Age 45 to $198,000. Age 55 to $451,000. Age 65 to $920,000. Taylor personally contributed $132,000. Employer gave for free $66,000. Investment growth $722,000. The employer match alone added $66,000. The market turned that combined $198,000 into nearly $1 million. Now, what if Taylor waited until age 35? Same contributions, same match, same return. Age 65 balance, $430,000. 10 years, $500,000 gone. Not because Taylor made bad investments, not because the market crashed, simply because Taylor waited. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. 5 steps. Do these today. Step 1. Check if your employer offers a 401k HR portal or benefits packet. Step 2. Ask HR, what do I contribute to get the full match? That number is your minimum. Step 3. Log into Fidelity Net Benefits, Vanguard, or Empower. Set your contribution to at least the match threshold. Step 4. Pick your investment. Target date fund first. No target date? Lowest cost S&P 500 Index Fund. Step 5. Set a January reminder. Increase contribution by 1% every year. You won't feel it. Your future self will. 3 mistakes. Avoid these. Mistake 1. Not getting the full match. Non-negotiable. Always. Mistake 2. Cashing out when you leave a job. You lose 30 to 40% instantly to penalties and taxes. Always roll over. Never cash out. Mistake 3. Never increasing your contribution. 1% every January. That's it.